Hi viewers, today we're looking at the power function in MySQL Workbench, which works out the power function for taking the first numeric value in the array and multiplying by the power of the second numeric value in the array. So first of all, we start by typing select and then power tab, and then we're going to enter 4 to the power of 7 and see what the value is there. So power bracket 4 comma 7 close bracket, run that. As you can see, the power 4 to 7 is 16,384, and let's swap that round just to see what it does. So the power of 7 to 4, or should I say 7 to the power of 4, and that gives you 2,401. Now that's the power function in MySQL Workbench.